5 passive income ideas you can start today. Want to earn money while you sleep? Here are 5 passive income ideas that you can start building today, even if you're a total beginner. First, dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you a piece of their profits regularly, just for holding the stock. Think of it like getting paid to do nothing but invest. Use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Webull to get started. Reinvest those dividends and let your money grow itself. 2. Digital products. Second, digital products. Create something once, like an ebook, a Notion template, or even a PDF guide, and sell it over and over. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payit let you reach global audiences. Once it's live, it runs 24/7 without you lifting a finger. 3. Rental properties. Third, rental properties. Buy a home, rent it out, and collect monthly income. Whether it's a long-term tenant or short-term Airbnb guest, real estate can generate serious cash flow. Use a property manager to keep a hands-off and enjoy a steady income stream. 4. Affiliate marketing. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Share products you love using special links. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Start with Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or affiliate programs tied to your niche. You don't even need to sell anything, just recommend. 5. Build and monetize apps. And number 5, make an app. It could be a simple productivity tool, calculator, or game. Once it's live on the App Store or Google Play, you can earn money through ads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. Use tools like Flutter, Adalo, or Glide if you're not a coder. Passive income takes effort up front, but once it's running, it can change your life. Which idea are you starting with? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart money tips.